Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to change your iPhone passcode and enable stolen device protection, a new feature that helps keep your data safe even when your phone is lost or stolen. For that, first of all, go ahead and open up your Settings application, scroll below, then you'll be able to find an option that says Face ID and Passcode. Go ahead and type in your passcode, and then inside your scroll below again, tap on Change Passcode. Go ahead and enter your current passcode, and now you want to go ahead and enter a new passcode. After you have done that, go ahead and verify it again, and then simply you'll then be able to create a new password for your device. So after that, you want to scroll below again, then you'll be able to find Stolen Device Protection. Go ahead and tap on it and make sure it is toggled on. And just like that, once you toggle it on, you'll be asked to confirm your passcode to activate it. Once it's on, your iPhone will require your Face ID or Touch ID for sensitive actions like changing your Apple ID settings or turning off Find My. It even adds a delay when you're not in a trusted location. And that's it, guys. You have changed your passcode and added an extra layer of security with Stolen Device Protection. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.